dive into making some delicious homemade pasta. So first things first, dump your flour onto a clean, flat surface. Make a well in the middle, just like a volcano, and crack those eggs right into it. Here's the rule: 1 cup of flour and 1 egg per person. Easy peasy. Now, slowly start mixing the flour and eggs together. Be patient. This isn't a race, it's a pasta making journey. Fancy dough scraper, don't worry, you can use a spatula, or honestly, anything that gets the job done, just like I do. Now it's time to knead the dough. Keep at it until the gluten does its magic, and your dough feels smooth and elastic. If your dough feels like the Sahara Desert, add a splash of water. If it's too sticky, toss in a bit more flour. It's all about balance, like life. To knead, fold the dough in half and press down with the weight of your body. Give it a good workout. All right, time for the poke test. Stick your finger into the dough. If it springs back like a sponge, congratulations, your dough is ready. Now, let that dough chill out for at least 20 to 40 minutes. And don't forget to wrap it in plastic, or it'll dry out faster than you can say pasta. Next up, grab a chunk of that dough and roll it out. Keep going until you can almost see your hand through it. Thin as in, people. Trim the edges so it looks nice and neat, then dust it generously with flour. Fold it up like a little doughy burrito and slice it into strips. Voila, pasta. Now, grab about 300 grams of chicken breast and slice it however you like. Slice up 10 to 15 mushrooms. Then chop 1 medium onion and 4 cloves of garlic as finely as you can. Heat up your pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss in the chicken and season it with some salt and black pepper. Let it cook until it's golden and delicious. Once your chicken is ready, it's sauce time. Add 2 more tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. Throw in the onions and garlic and let them cook until fragrant. Add the mushrooms and don't forget to squeeze in some lemon juice to keep them from turning an unappetizing shade of brown. After a quick saute, pour in about 200 grams of cream and give it a stir. Things are getting creamy now. Now comes the star of the show, pesto sauce. I've got the recipe for that in the description. Or you can just cheat and buy a jar. No judgment here. Stir in 3 to 4 tablespoons of pesto, and your sauce is ready to rock. Meanwhile, it's pasta time. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. This prevents the pasta from sticking together like best friends at a party. Add some salt to the water, because pasta deserves to be seasoned too. Throw the cooked chicken into the sauce and give it another sprinkle of salt and pepper for good measure. Once the pasta is cooked to perfection, drain it and mix it into the sauce. Give it a good toss so everything is coated in that creamy pesto goodness. And finally, no pasta is complete without a generous shower of Parmesan cheese. The more, the merrier. And there you have it, folks. Homemade pasta that'll make your taste buds dance. Bon appétit!